Hey people, welcome to another video of City Diaries. Hope you guys are doing good. Yes, I'm back after a long gap. So today I'm going to unbox my new fitness band, which is Band 3 from MI. I bought it online and received it this afternoon. So I paid 1,999. It's almost 2,000 rupees for this one. So I'll check out the features and how it looks. So let's figure it out. Just back from my morning workout. So it was my first morning workout with MI Band 3 on. So I'll find out the performance. So let's follow me. Here it goes. First of all, I would like to tell you this band comes with zero charging. So at first you have to charge for maximum 2.5 hours and it will be 100% charged. Then you can start using it. So I'm placing my thumb on the button. Here it is. It's 7:24 right now. 4th October is the date. Since morning, 8,263 steps. Wow, that's great. So entire day it's left. The distance I have covered 6.74 kilometer. Not bad. And burned around 335 calorie. Have to improve this area. Now, what else? The battery is at 93%, correct? So here it's heart rate. So what you need to do to check, to monitor your heart rate, so you have to place one of your fingers on the button and keep on placing it for 60 seconds and it will help you with the exact heart rate at that situation. And the current temperature is 28 degree, maximum 35, minimum 23. So whenever you find the small bar below, that means you have to scroll left to find more features, or probably let's see how it works. So tomorrow it was like 35 maximum, 24 minimum. So this is the way it works, huh? Now here it comes notifications, WhatsApp, SMS, whatever the notification we receive. If it's connected through your Bluetooth, that means you will get intimations. So this is the one, and this is the more options. So let's scroll left to find out what are the options we get over here. This is the timer, silent mode. You can put it on silent mode. To find this one, to find other device, it will connect through Bluetooth. And this is screen and this is board. And the most amazing part of this band is this is 100% water resistance, so one can wear and swim easily. So that's it as of now. Thank you for watching City Diaries. Please subscribe and hit like button if you find it useful, and we will keep on uploading interesting videos from now onwards. Thank you once again. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep on jogging.